In this video, I will show you how you can send money from Australia to the USA. To do this, I would personally use Remitly. It's the fastest and cheapest way that I have found to actually do this. So what you want to do is just head over to their website, set your country to Australia, and where it says to, you're going to search for the United States and select it. And then from there, scroll down a bit until you see the exchange rate. Then just click on get this rate. Now here, if you don't have an account yet, just click sign up. If you already have one, you can sign in. Then here you can choose how much you want to send. Now for me it's in euro and the Dutch flag since I'm Dutch. For you it will be the Australian dollar and Australian flag, but these steps are the exact same. So just enter how much you want to send and click on continue. Then you can choose how you want the money to be delivered to the person in the United States. For example, I'll do a bank deposit. And here you can select your recipient's bank. For example, if they use Chase, you can select that. Then here choose if it's a checking or savings and enter their details. Then enter their first and last name and the recipient's home address. And you can enter their phone number and choose if you want them to get transfer updates, but you don't have to, you can also skip that. And from there just select your own payment method, so you will pay for the transfer, and then click continue and you will then get to an overview. From there, just make sure all the details are correct and you can see how long it will take to deliver the money. So if everything is correct, go and pay for the transfer and then the money will be on its way to your recipient in the United States. So now you know how to send money from Australia to the United States. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.